Hello everybody and welcome once again to another video on how to make money online. We want to welcome you and thank you very much for watching. We are here once again bringing you new ways to make money online. This time we're going to talk about making money with surveys and PayPal. That's right, we're going to make money through PayPal, through Amazon, through G-Codes with one simple step. It's very easy and it only involves surveys. These surveys are super easy because it's all about lifestyle, it's all about common knowledge, it's all about things that you prefer or don't. So if you're interested in knowing how to make money with PayPal, with Amazon, with G-Codes, stay tuned all the way to the end and make sure you watch the video all the way to the end so that you get all the information possible and you can start making money online. Remember, we are posting videos constantly on how to make money online and it would help us a lot if you'd subscribe. We want to ask you for that tiny favor and it will help you, it will help me because we will upload the videos and then you'll learn ways to make money. So it's a win-win for everybody. So if you could take a second just to hit the subscribe button, make sure the notifications are on, we would really appreciate it. We'll be very glad with you and we will be able to bring you more videos on how to make money online. Alright, so let's get started. To get started, we want to first go to this webpage. This webpage is Crowdology.com. Crowdology.com is a webpage specialized on helping companies finding people to fill out their surveys, right? So what happens is if I am a company who's looking for people who have dogs, right? And I want to interview 1,000 people who have dogs to find out what's important to them about their dog food, about their dog toys, or anything that you might have a concern about. The way for me to find this information and know what people prefer would be to send them a survey. So how do I find these people? How do I get in contact with all these people that could give me information on what they want to buy? Well, the answer is Crowdology, right? So there's two sides to this coin. There is the company trying to find people to give their surveys to and the people who are trying to fill out surveys and make money, right? So we are on that second category. We're going to take advantage of this huge opportunity, this very easy way to make money, and we're going to start making money that way, right? So the first thing we're going to do is we go to Crowdology.com. Now we're going to look through here and here we see it says that their surveys are engaging. It says that they give out cash rewards. These are two great things, you know, being engaging what you're doing and then getting cash for it. It's a great trade-off, you know. It's about current topics, which is amazing. Real companies, this is one of the most important ones to me. I really like to give feedbacks to some companies because I like their products to be better. So one way to help them make them better is to give them feedback through these surveys. So it's a real good opportunity to give feedback to real companies that really need to know how to improve their product, right? They're quick to complete. It says over here that it's in between 2 and 15 minutes to complete a survey, which is awesome. You can do from 4 to 30 surveys in just 1 hour, you know. So maybe take out a little bit of time from there, you know. Let's say your max will be like 25, but if you multiply almost any amount of money by 25, it's gonna be a really good amount of money, even $1, just 25 bucks an hour. That sounds amazing, doesn't it? So let's keep looking over here. Let's go down here and see what else we can find about this webpage. We have here some tips to maximize your earning potential. Make sure you follow them, mark their emails as safe, complete your profile info and answer as soon as possible. You don't want to miss out on some of their surveys, you know, they have a time limit. And here at the bottom of the page we see why do we run paid online surveys. This is what I was talking to you about before. The reason why they do it is because they want to get your opinion on their products. They want to get your opinion to make their products better, right? So these companies are looking for people who want these products and they want their opinion, and then Crowdology makes it possible for them to connect to random people online so that they don't have to go into some lab or something and answer some survey on a web page. I mean on a piece of paper, when they could just answer it here on a web page. So now let's look at your rewards, right? This is very important right here. This is what we're gonna be making. This is what we're gonna be earning from doing these surveys, right? It says here that you can earn from 40 cents up to $10 or even more, right? So $10 for one survey that could take up to 15 minutes, to me that sounds awesome. Even 40 cents, because you know they had the 2 minutes one. So let's say you do 25 in 1 hour at 40 cents. That's $10 an hour. That's, if you work the regular day doing that, you'll make $80 a day, which is not bad at all to do work just answering questions from your phone, from your computer, laying in bed, right? So now if we keep looking over here, we see that we're gonna get paid in PayPal, Amazon, or G-codes. We don't get points, we get cash, which is awesome. You know, there's a lot of info on this page, so you might want to take a look at it and read it over a little bit. But we're gonna go ahead and go to the sign up area. Here, as always, we will put in our information, our first name, last name, you know, email address, repeat your email address, password, repeat password, if we are male or female, your date of birth, your zip code, if you agree with the terms and conditions and the privacy policy, etc., etc., etc. Make sure you take a good look at this page, you know, read this stuff that's over here on the left side, register by entering, etc., etc. Cash in with exact survey, you complete and cash out with PayPal, G-codes, Amazon vouchers from as low as $8, which is awesome, you know, $8 and get it out. So here is, I already signed in, I already have an account. I created a new account for you guys to check it out, how a new account would look like. This is what you're gonna expect. You're gonna go to your dashboard, you're gonna click there, it's gonna show you this, your new Crowdology dashboard, right? So they welcome you into Crowdology, and now you can get started making some money. But before we get started making some money, we have to understand our dashboard. Here is how much money you need to make in order to get it out of the page, right? So you need to make at least $8 on PayPal. You need to make at least $10 in Amazon vouchers for you to get it out. So before we start making money, we have to go to your profile tab, which is down here. And here you're gonna have to fill out your profile, right? You have to fill out your ethnicity, household, education, etc., etc., etc. It's like a survey on yourself, so that you give them information about yourself, and they know a little bit more about you, and they know what kind of surveys they want to send you. You know, maybe you are a 90-year-old woman who doesn't really like loud noises. They're not gonna send you a survey on the best kind of heavy metal out there, right? So this is the reason why we fill out this kind of survey on ourselves, so they know a little bit more about us. So you're just gonna keep going through this and answer them, right? You're gonna go next. You could either choose I prefer not to say and stuff like that, but you're gonna go through this and answer them, go one by one. You know, the more information you give them, the better, because the more they get to know you and the better surveys they're gonna send you. So make sure you fill out all of this information, and you will start getting surveys. You will get them to your email, so make sure you're constantly checking your email, especially because they have a time limit. You do not want to miss that time limit. So make sure you fill out all of this information, check your email, start answering questions about yourself, start answering questions about products that you care about, because most likely, since they will know you a little bit better through these questions, you're gonna answer about yourself. They'll know what kind of products you like, and so you will get to have an opinion on products that you truly care about. To me, this is a great opportunity. Getting to have an opinion on these products is an amazing opportunity. So remember to go back to Crowdology.com. That is the webpage. Here's where you're gonna sign up. It's totally free. You can do it from anywhere in the United States, and you can start making money right now. Make sure to go to the webpage and check it out. I wanna thank you once again for watching. I want to thank you for being in our channel. We want to invite you back to our channel to watch more videos on how to make money online. We are going to be constantly uploading videos on how to make money online, and we would love for you to watch them and learn all the different ways you could be making money from the comfort of your bed without really having to do much but to move your fingers, right? So stay tuned to our channel. Please subscribe and make sure the notifications are on, so that you know next time we upload another awesome video on how to make money online, and you're one of the first ones to take advantage of these opportunities. We hope you had a good time watching our video. We hope to see you again. Stay safe, and we will see you later. Take care, my friend.